About this item: compact size, flush fit, the tiny thumb-sized, 1.7 L, x 0.9 W, body fits most car cigarette lighters and barely protrudes past the edge of the outlet, providing a trim, less cluttered look. It's our smallest car charger yet, lightweight and highly portable, so you can take it everywhere. 4.8A/24W efficient charge. AINOPE car charger can reach maximum output of 2.4A/12W per port, which the charging speed is 2x faster than 1A/5W. With 4.8A total power, this dual USB cigarette lighter adapter enables you to charge two devices simultaneously at full speed with 2.4A per USB port. Please note, it does not support Qualcomm Quick Charge. The charging page will not show fast charge when charging. All metal, won't heat. The full zinc alloy body is scratch resistant, durable, and attractive. The high-quality material keeps your car charger adapter always looking new. This metal USB car charger will not overheat at high temperatures, which makes it safer than plastic ones. Certified safety. There are multiple protections against overcurrent, overcharging, and overheating to ensure the safety of your devices. We care for you. You're welcome to contact us with any questions or